everyone, it's Fiona from Nadaya Financial and it's Mortgage Monday. Hope you all had a great weekend. Today I'm going to discuss offset bank accounts. Last week I discussed redraw and today we're going to talk about offset so you can actually see the firm difference between the both. So an offset account, what is it? Well, an offset account is an everyday transactional bank account that is directly linked to your home loan. It has its own account number, it's a completely separate bank account to your mortgage, and it comes with a Visa debit card. Now, offset accounts, you do pay for them more often than not. The most that you would pay for an offset account is $3.95 a year. Now, the reason you pay for them is because they often come in home loan packages. So, as I said, $3.95 is the highest. You could pay $2.48 and sometimes even $15 a month for an offset account facility. With an offset account, they're mainly linked to variable rate loans most of the time. So if you have $300,000 variable and $150,000 fixed, then it will be attached only to the $300,000, that is the variable portion. Though having said that, there are a few banks out there these days that do have fixed rates with offsets attached. So if you want to find out which ones they are and you like the idea of an offset attached to a fixed rate, speak to your broker because your broker knows all about that stuff. So how does it work? Well, as you can see in my diagram, there's a mortgage there for $300,000, a variable rate mortgage. Now, with an offset account, the interest, well, with a mortgage actually, the interest is calculated daily and it's charged monthly. So the more money you have in your offset account, the better. So what happens is, say you have the $300,000 loan that you can see up there, and you have $15,000 sitting in your offset. So what happens? The interest is calculated every day, as I said, and then come time for your interest to be charged, they look at how much is sitting in your offset account and they reduce that amount of interest being charged to your loan. So instead of being charged $300,000 on $300,000 of interest, you're only being charged on $285,000 because of the $15,000 that's sitting in your offset. Now you can have a few different offsets and they all attach to the one total. Other banks offer that as well. So how do you make the most of having an offset account? Well, the main objective is to have the most amount of money in there for the longest period of time throughout that month. One of the best ways to do that is to actually have your income go directly into your offset account. Both your pays, if there are two of you, have them go directly into your offset account because the more money in there, of course, the better. An example of how people utilize or get the best out of their offset account is to have a credit card, if they do have a credit card. And for the entire month, you have your pay and all your money coming into your offset account. And for that month, you pay everything with the credit card. And then at the end of the month, before you're charged interest on your credit card, you pay it out of your offset account. So for the maximum time of that month, you haven't been taking any money out. You only take it out once and you pay to your credit card. And then at the end of the month, once you pay everything out and you don't even pay interest on your credit card, which is a pretty clever thing to do financially. So now there are those benefits. So I have mentioned what an offset account is. It's a single account. I've also mentioned the benefits of it and the fees that are applicable. So you need to sit down and decide when your broker asks you what kind of a loan do you want for your mortgage. Do you think you're going to have money coming in, like both of your incomes coming in and you'll be saving money in there? Or you don't think there's going to be much money in your offset at all? You need to sit down and speak with your broker about that, because if you think that you're paying $395 a year for your offset account facility and you're not going to use it, then you may as well not have an offset account at all, because it's not going to benefit you if you're not saving interest on it. So that's something you need to weigh up and do the numbers with. So that's it from me today. If you'd like any further information on offset accounts or anything at all, feel free to leave a message below. Have a great day.